Judges, I'm ready. Will? Okay. Time. Hello everyone, welcome to my stage. Today I'm going to share all the idea of my art, which is harmony and new techniques. At the first people, it is an out. In order to make it more lively, its left hand side will be bigger to shift the visual angle and bring out the harmony. Also 6 rosetta to enhance the difficulty and dragon techniques to bring out the contrast. The first out is coming to you, so please wait. How to do it? Let's see how to make it out. First rosetta for the wing. Another 3 rosetta create the body. Another wing with the small one. Dragging for the feet. Also dragging the ear. Go back to draw eyes. Mouth. And dragging another ear. Finally, for the back feet. Now drop to create the moon. Okay, my first people announced. Enjoy. Judges, another out for you. First, rosetta with the big wing. 3 rosetta create the body. Another wing with the small one. Dragging for the feet. And also dragging create the ear. Now go back to draw eyes. Bill. And dragging another ear. Finally go back to the big feet and drop to create the moon. Okay, and now under the moon. Enjoy. And judges, the idea of my last designer patterns is about the new techniques, the spout etching techniques. By using these techniques into my tropical fish patterns, I can make its multiple layer eyes done quickly without extra tools and keeping the visual surface quality. So let's see how to make a tropical fish with my new technique. First, rosetta to outline the fish body. Dragging for the fins. Also the tail. And now finish the patterns by using a single line. And connect all together. First drop for the first layer. And the spouts pick up the creamer Go back for the seconds. The creamer is running out. The foam will fall off. Finish. The spout etching technique with my tropical fish. Look at its multiple layer eyes. Just let's see another tropical fish. Rosetta to outline the fish body. Dragging for the fins. Also the tail. I finish the patterns using a single line and connect all together. So let's see one more time. Drop for the first layer. And then the spout pick up the creamer. Go back for the seconds. Once the creamer is running out, the foam will follow up. Finish the tropical fish with my spout etching technique. Enjoy! And I hope you all enjoy my presentation today. I'm Keith. Thank you. Time.
Congratulations, Kwun Keith, representing Hong Kong. We'll be back shortly.